Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the payment failed error on the Dunkin Donuts app. If your payment keeps failing, the first thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the transaction process. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then relaunch the app. Next, open the Dunkin app, go to DD Perks or My Wallet section, and make sure your payment method is up to date or if there is enough balance on your account. If you're using a saved card, try removing it and re-adding the card details manually. For Apple Pay or Google Pay users, ensure those services are set up correctly and not restricted. If that doesn't work, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Dunkin, Storage, and Clear Cache. For iPhone users, delete and reinstall the app to refresh its settings. Also, make sure your Dunkin app is updated to the latest version. Older versions may have bugs that interfere with payments. Finally, double-check with your bank to ensure your card is active and not flagged for fraud. If your card is fine but payments still fail, contact Dunkin customer support directly through the app or their website for account-specific help. And that's how you troubleshoot and fix the payment failed issue on the Dunkin Donuts app. Thanks for watching.